Happy Sunday, everybody. I hope that you had a very successful Sunday. Thanks to certain members of the group for joining me earlier today in our monthly Q&A meeting. That meeting inspired me to let you know the proper use of ChatGPT to get the most out of it. I see so much foolishness online about how people are using ChatGPT. I see so much foolishness around how people are using AI. I also see a lot of foolishness about the misconceptions for how other people are using ChatGPT, chatbots, AI. Everybody has an opinion. As a super fan of artificial intelligence, I have an opinion as well. My opinion is that you need to do the following. You need to learn to customize your ChatGPT experience. So I'm going to show you how to do this, a setting that a lot of people probably have not realized is there. So I'm just going to share my screen. And I'm going to go into my ChatGPT. Okay, so here is my ChatGPT. First thing that I'm going to do, I do use the pro version of ChatGPT, the $200 a month subscription. I do. I'm not going to stop doing that, but you can use the free version or you can use the $20 version, whatever you come up with, okay? You're going to go into settings. Under settings, you're going to hit customize ChatGPT. First of all, you need to tell ChatGPT how to communicate with you. Tell it what to call you and how to communicate with you in the same way that you know how you want other humans to communicate with you. You know what language shuts you down. You know what language peps you up when you're talking to people. So the main thing that you want to do is customize your ChatGPT. You're going to tell it what to call you. You're going to tell it what you do. I am Dr. SHAWN. I am a pharmacist and entrepreneur who owns Care Dynamics, which is a staffing and recruitment firm. What traits would you like your ChatGPT to have? So for my ChatGPT, I want my ChatGPT to be highly inquisitive and objective. Highly inquisitive and objective. I don't want it to be subjective. I don't want opinions. I want hard fact. I want to be challenged whenever I present something that is not hard fact. When my reasoning, this is what I'm telling it, when my reasoning may be flawed, call me out on it and offer better suggestions and more insight. I want you to think deeply with me. This is the common misconception that people have about ChatGPT. ChatGPT does not replace your thinking, your brain. It is a supplement to your brain. The more you use it and rely on it, the weaker your own reasoning skills are going to get. So I do not want ChatGPT to think for me. I want ChatGPT to think with me. Okay? Help me to see all sides of an issue, questions, or a problem. I want my GPT to be talkative because I can be quite talkative, okay? I don't like short language. I can be short when I'm kind of irritated, but overall, I am a very responsive person. I'm a very talkative person. And I want my ChatGPT to be able to engage in dialogue and be conversational with me. I want my ChatGPT to tell it like it is. Do not sugarcoat any responses. Take a forward-thinking approach. Be very business and money minded and be very shrewd, okay? Be very shrewd. Then it asks, is there anything else that you want ChatGPT to know about you? I want my ChatGPT to know and understand that I want to be so incredibly wealthy, that I have so much free time and free money, because what's having a lot of money if you don't have the time? And what's having a lot of time when you don't have the money? So I want free time and money that I don't know what to do with it at all. I am here to be better in life and to build my empire, whatever that looks like. So I have told my ChatGPT how to communicate with me. Okay, that's super, super, super important. Now, what you also want to do after telling your ChatGPT how to communicate with you, you want to treat your ChatGPT like it's a business partner, like it's a team member. Okay? You want to tell it, act as my team member, act as my business partner, act as an investor if you are seeking funding. Learn how to communicate with ChatGPT. Also, use ChatGPT when it comes to your learning and development. I was on a call this morning or earlier today with a very good friend of mine, but also a very trusted and respected business associate of mine. And we talked about how the new vertical or the new verbiage for the training development line of business is now learning and development. And beyond just doing learning and development inside of a corporation or a corporate setting or a business setting, you and I, we need to be applying learning and development to our lives every day. So one of the things that I want to do is I want to sharpen up my Haitian Creole language skills. I want to learn how to fluently speak the language. And beyond using some of the apps and the books that were previously available, you can tell ChatGPT exactly what it is that you want to learn. You can tell it to create a syllabus and a curriculum for you, and tell it how much time each day you have to spend on that task. So for an hour a day, I want to work on this thing. I'm studying for an exam and I want to devote 2 hours a day to this thing, create a curriculum or a learning path for me each and every day. Don't let me skimp on it. If you want to learn the stock market, anything that you want to learn, it is available to you with ChatGPT and other AI tools. Now, I understand that people have all these things to say about AI. People had a lot of things to say about the internet. People had a lot of things to say about the use of Google, but sooner than later, it became commonplace to just Google it. Just Google it. Well, I'm here to tell you, nobody's Googling anything anymore. That's old. You're ChatGPT in it. You're asking ChatGPT, and you're getting a more responsive conversation. So what I want you to do is ask ChatGPT. After you tell it how to communicate with you, I want you to ask ChatGPT to create a syllabus and a curriculum around one thing that you want to start learning. It can be any subject. Gone are the days where you got to go off to college to learn about something. Gone are the days that you have to Google something and piecemeal the information together. You have the tools right in front of you with ChatGPT that allow you to learn things in a cohesive manner. One of the things that you can tell ChatGPT to do is break down those complex subjects that you may not know a whole lot about. For me, I have to deal with a lot of contracts in my business. If there is something that I don't understand about a contract, or if the contract is 60 pages long and I'm just frankly, I'm not reading that, you can load the entire thing into ChatGPT and have it pull out the most important parts of that piece of contract, of that literature, of whatever you want. So use it to your advantage. I know a lot of people on social media are using ChatGPT to ask stupid questions and say funny things and be witty. Use it as your opportunity to level up. Ask ChatGPT how to get you some more money. Ask ChatGPT how to go to the next level in your business. Ask ChatGPT how to take you to the next level in your career. Ask ChatGPT how to build your credit score. Ask ChatGPT how to have a better relationship. Ask ChatGPT to help you with your shadow work. Ask ChatGPT to be the business partner that you never had. Okay? Ask ChatGPT to be an objective source in your relationship. Ask ChatGPT about a situation and tell you what the blind spots are. Ask ChatGPT what your personal blind spots are. How are you approaching things and how you can approach things better? So I just wanted to jump in and tell you not to be afraid of AI. AI has so much more. It leaves a lot to be desired, but there's a lot that you can leverage now. So over time, I'm going to be talking to you about the ways that I have added ChatGPT both into my business and my personal life. I let ChatGPT help me put together a power structure for my day. You can do the same thing. Don't be afraid of it, but also don't be ignorant about it. Use it for your best good. Okay? Have a great evening.